Hello, today we're going to be covering the process of entering data into the Yearli software. We're going to go over entering the payer information, adding payer forms, entering recipient information, and adding recipient forms. To start entering the payer information, you want to go ahead and click on the payer list button on the main screen and then select add payer. If there are no payers in the program, then you can click in the manage payer section on the right of the screen and start entering your data. For the payer, you want to enter the name, the TIN, the payer's address, city, state, and zip. The payer phone number is a required field if you are e-filing the payer information. Once you have your information entered, hit Save to proceed. Click on the Payer State button on the right side of the screen to start entering your payer state information. You'll enter the payer state and the state ID. Once that is entered, go ahead and click OK to save the information. To go to the recipient list, click on the recipient list tab, or you can double click on the payer name. To enter the recipient information, you can click add recipient, or if there are no recipients already entered, click on the manage recipient side and start entering the information. For the recipient, you're going to enter the recipient name, their TIN, their address, city, state, and zip code. A phone number is not required for the recipient. Once you have that information entered, you can go ahead and save that recipient information. Next, you can add forms on the recipient by clicking the blue Add Form button on the bottom. And then from the form type drop-down menu, you can select the form type you would like to enter. Once you select the form type, the entry screen will automatically pop up. Once that is completed, go ahead and save the form. Once you have the state information entered, you can click on the Transaction Summary tab or the Dollar Amounts tab. If you click on the Dollar Amounts tab, you'll be automatically able to enter the dollar amounts. If you have a Transaction Summary tab, you have to click on the Form button on the lower right to activate the dollar amount entry. Once that is completed, go ahead and save the form. Now we'll show you how to enter a W-2. Click on the Add Form button, select W-2 from the drop-down menu, and then at the Return Information screen, go ahead and enter the state and the state ID. Save the form, and if this is a transactional entry, click on the Form button. If it's not, click on the Dollar Amounts tab. Go ahead and enter your amounts, and once it's finished, save the form. Click OK to close the W-2 entry screen. To add a payer form, click on the Payer List tab. Click on the blue Add Form button, and then from the Federal State Local dropdown, you select the federal option or the applicable state. Then you select from the form name the form type you're going to be adding to the payer. Once you select the form type, the form will automatically pop up and you can then complete the information. If you have further questions about the data entry process, you can call us at 920-339-3200 or email us at desktop.support@greatland.com.